Hi, I'm Leanne and I'm making another cooking video. Today I'll be making toad in the hole. So let's get started. Right now I have a sieve in my hand and a bowl in my other hand. And this is a jug this is a measuring jug, just letting you know. This is tongs I'll get the sausages out, measuring spoon, spatula, and the scale that I'll be measuring. Okay. So I'll put the oven on 180 degrees fan bake. I'll put hand sanitizer on. So I'll put the sausages in an oven-proof dish and put it in the oven for 10 minutes, please. Thank you, whoever you are. So I'll put the sausages evenly on the tray. And spread 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So the oven's heated up and I'm going to put the sausages in. So while the sausages are cooking, I'm going to get the flour ready. Okay, so I'll put it on the scale, put the bowl on, press 0, and peak 7. So we need 250 grams. Okay, so it's on 250 grams, and now I'm going to sieve it. 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, I'm gonna dump it. Make a well and crack eggs in. So I'm gonna crack the eggs in here, just to make sure there's no shell. I'm going to use 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Is it breaking? Okay. So I'm going to pour in 300 mils of milk. To make this easier, I'm going to now use a mixer and now stirring the batter now and mix it until there's no lump, if you can hear me. Add another 300 mils of milk. So the butter's all nice and creamy. Now I'm going to put the sausages out of the oven and put it on this platter, and then pour the stuff on the sausages. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the batter on the sausages. So now I'm going to put the sausages and the recipe in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes, and I'm going to put it in now. And they're magically in there. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up, because that's part of the cooking experience. So the toad in the hole has been cooking in the oven for just over 40 minutes, and now you can see it's golden brown. I like having veggies with it, and I will also have some gravy on it. It's all served up, and now it needs one more ingredient, and that's gravy. Yummy.